Yeah.
Charlie's second birthday presents.
What'd you get?
Socks.
Socks? No, what are these?
These.
Pants. Yeah, you like them?
No.
No. Pants.
This.
Pants. Cool.
In it.
You want to look in there?
Yeah.
It's a big bag. What's in there? What is it?
Better.
It's a panda?
Yeah.
For you? Oh my! Is that a panda for Charlie? It's your own panda! Give it a hug. See? Oh, it's a nice panda. Oh! Happy birthday! It's your panda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Charlie.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa Mackie.
Yeah.
Happy, happy, happy day. Happy second birthday. Mommy.
Mommy.
Say thank you.
Yeah.
And a bag.
In it.
The panda was in there.